Good morning everyone. Welcome to English class. Children, are you all learning? Preparing for the exam? Okay. Today I am giving you question answers. Learn well. Okay? Repeat after me. How does Alice go to school? Answer. Alice go to school by bus. Second one. Who is Appu's class teacher? Miss Deepa is Appu's class teacher. Third one. What should you say if you meet a crocodile? Answer. I should say nothing at all. I should just run away. When we hurt someone, what should we say? We should say sorry when we hurt someone. If you are not getting full answer, right, we should say sorry. Okay? Fifth one. What is Mr. Prasad doing? Answer. Mr. Prasad is eating. Learn all these question answers and write neatly in your books. Okay, with this we have completed our English revision. Okay, practice well for the exam. To maths class. In today's class, we are learning before and after numbers. Okay, already we have learned. Just practice this. Okay. First, write down before number. These are the numbers. Read the number first. Here blank is there, no? Write the number that comes before. What is the before number? That comes first. If you don't know, you have to revise, repeat the numbers. What is this number? 3, 8, 38. Before 8, which number will come? 7. So, 3, 7, 37. Okay? 37, 38. What is this number? 8 to 82. Before 2, 1. You will have your roll numbers in your school, no? Yes or no? Teacher will call 1, 2, 3. If your roll number is 5, what is the before number? 4. Like that. You have to remember. This is 8 to 82. Before 2, 1. So, 8, 1, 81. 81, 82. Next. 6, 7, 67. Before 7, what is the number? 6. So, write 6, 6, 66. 6, 6, 66. 6, 7, 67. Next. What is this number? Tell me, read the number. 9, 5. 95. Before 5, 4. So, 9, 4, 94 is the before number. 94, 95. Next, look here. After number. This is after number. After number means next number. What is this number? 63, 63. After 63, after 3, which number will come? 4. So, after 63, 64, 64. Got it? Next, read the number. 75, 75. After 75, 76, 76. What is this number? 89, 89. Next, 90, 90. What is this number? 99, 99. After 99, 1, 0, 0, 100. 99, 100. Add the following. Here we have symbol, addition symbol, no? We have to add it. 6 in the mind, open. 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Right here. Now 7 in the mind, open. How many fingers? 3 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what is this number? 3. 3 in the mind, open. How many fingers? 6 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, mind, open 7 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 12. Like that you have to do the addition. Next bit, insert greater than, less than or is equal to. We have to compare these numbers and put the correct symbol. Got it? Now read the number. What is this number? 1, 4, 14. What is this number? 2, 4, 24. Which is the biggest number? 2, 4, 24. I just explained you regarding alligator method, no? Alligator likes biggest number, so it opens its mouth towards the big number. So this is the big number. It opens its mouth towards big number. So you have to write this symbol. Okay? Now read this. 14 is less than 24. Got it? Second one. 6, 3, 63. 8, 2, 82. 82 is the biggest number. So write down this symbol. Open alligator opens its mouth towards biggest number. So 63 is less than 82. Next here what is this? 3030. Here also 3030. Same numbers. Same number means which symbol will come? Is equal to. This is equal to symbol. Both are same. 81 81. 1 8 18. Which is the biggest number? 8181. So, alligator opens its mouth this side. Now, 8181 is greater than 1818. Next, addition. 3, 4. In this form, vertical form, you have to write. 3 in the mind, open. 4 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. You have to remember this plus sign. Okay? This is symbol for addition. 4 in the mind, open. 5 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 9 here. 7 in the mind, open. 3 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. By 10 here. 6 in the mind, open. 8 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 4, 14. Do the rest of the sums. Practice well for the exams. With this, we have completed our maths revision. Okay? To science class. In today's class, we are writing yes or no. Read the sentence and put tick or wrong. All parts of the body do the same work. Is it correct? No. So put wrong. We hear various sounds with our ears. Correct. The food we eat goes to the hands. Wrong. The face and brain are in chest. Wrong. We use our hands to make things. Correct. Write this, children. Now look here, matching. We have to match this with this type of food grains. Okay? Pepper. Is it a food grain, spice or pulse? It is a spice. So, draw a line to spice. Orange. Orange is a food grain, spice, pulses, nut or fruit. Which one it belongs to? It is a fruit. Almond, nut. Corn, food grain. Gram, pulse. Okay? pepper, spice, orange, fruit, almond, nut, corn, food grain, gram, pulse. Now your favorite topic, draw and color. Okay? Here eyes. Draw eyes. Draw a curve like this and put an eyeball. Color it. Okay? You want to draw two eyes? Draw like this. Okay? Practice drawing also. These are eyes. Next, carrot. Draw V shape like this. Okay? Put some leaves here. Carrot will have some lines like this now. Draw it and color it. Next, tomato. Tomato, draw a C curve. For this also curve. Put small curves. Green things will be there now. So draw green thing. This is tomato. Color it well. Next, apple. Apple also. Draw a curve like this. And one more curve like this. Okay? This is apple. Next, mango. Draw a curve like this and write S like this. And one leaf. This is mango. Color it. Draw it and color it. With this we have finished our science revision. Prepare well for the exam. Welcome to social class. In today's class we are doing second bit, yes or no. Have you all learned first bit? Question answers? Okay. All families are large. Yes or no? We have to write. First read the statement. If the statement is correct, write yes. If the statement is wrong, write no. Okay. All families are large. No. Write down no. Mother's brother is called cousin. No. Father is head of the family. Yes. We should love and obey parents. Yes. A family lives in a house. Yes. Third bit, fill in the blanks. First one. Father and mother are called parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. A small family is a happy family. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Say and write the spellings. Appu's younger sister is Anu. A-N-U. Anu. Mother's brother is called uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. God is happy when we make our parents happy. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Okay. Next bit, matching. Match the following. Mother. Look here. Earns money. Hospital. Cooks food. Mother cooks food. Draw a line to cooks food. Father earns money. Nurses. Hospital. Father and mother. School. Hospital. Draw a line to hospital. Teachers. Father and mother. School. School. Parents. Father and mother. Once look here. Mother cooks food. Father earns money. Nurses. Hospital. Teachers. School. Parents. Father and mother. Missing letters. U-N-T, aunt. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Cousins, C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Grandfather, G-R-A-N-D, grand, F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. Grandmother, G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-O-T-H-E-R, grandmother. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Learn all these bits. With this, we have completed social revision.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు తెలుగు క్లాస్. ఈ రోజు మన తెలుగు క్లాస్ లో 6th బిట్ జంట పదాలు. జంట పదాలు అంటే మీకు తెలుసు, ఎలా రాయాలి ఏంటి అనేది నేను చూపిస్తాను. లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ దబ దబ. ఓకే, ద బ, దబ దబ. చూడండి, జంటగా ఉన్నాయి కదా, వీటినే జంట పదాలు అంటారు. దబ దబ. నెక్స్ట్ చీట చీట. సెకండ్ వన్ చీట చీట. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ తళ తళ. తళ తళ. తా అళ. తా అళ. తళ తళ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గల గల, మిల మిల, పట పట. ఈ విధంగా జంట పదాలు ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఇంటి దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మనం నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ జతపరచండి. జతపరచడం అంటే ఏంటి? మ్యాచింగ్. ఫస్ట్ మనము ఇక్కడ కొన్ని పదాలు ఉన్నాయి, వాటిని చదవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇవన్నీ చదివితే కానీ మనం జతపరచడం చేయలేము. ఓకే, చూడండి అందరూ. వీణ, బీర, తీయని, జీడి, మామిడి, పాట, తీగ, మాట. ఓకేనా? వీణ, పాట. జతపరచండి. వీణ, పాట. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ బీర, తీగ. బీర తీగ. చూడండి, బాగుంది కదా వినడానికి. బీర తీగ, వీణ పాట కరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ తీయని మాట. తీయని మాట. జీడి, మామిడి. జీడి, మామిడి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ మరో 2 పదాలను రాయండి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక పదం ఇచ్చారు, 2 ఖాళీలను ఇచ్చారు. మనం ఈ ఖాళీలు పూర్తి చేయాలి. ఏ విధంగా? 2 పదాలు రాయాలి, రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ లా అన్నమాట. ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ ఏముంది? గీత. గీత ఉంది కదా. మీరు చెప్పండి 2 పదాలు. సీత, పీత. ఓకే, చూడండి. సీత, సీత, సీత. సెకండ్ వన్ పీత, పీత. గీత, సీత, పీత. చూడండి, ఒకే విధంగా ఉన్నాయి కదా. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ రాణి. రాణికి ఏం రాయాలి? మీరు చెప్పండి ఒక పదం. రాణి. జాని, పాణి, వాణి. ఈ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? వాణి, పాణి, పాణి. ఓకే, రాణి, వాణి, పాణి. నా నెక్స్ట్ కవి. కవికి 2 పదాలు రాయాలి. పవి, రవి, మవి. అలా రావాలన్నమాట ఏవైనా. ఓకేనా? కవి, రవి, రావి, రవి, పవి. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. గీత, సీత, పీత. రాణి, వాణి, పాణి. కవి, రవి, పవి. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పటి వరకు మనము క్వార్టర్లీ రివిజన్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాము. మీకు ప్యాటర్న్ పేపర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చాం కదా పిల్లలు. మీరు మొత్తం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, ఎగ్జామ్స్ రెడీ అవ్వండి. ప్రిపేర్ వెల్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఓకే, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Already we have started our revision. Today we are going to learn 6th bit. Okay children, look here. Identify the picture and join it with the right letter. Okay, I have given you some pictures and some letters. You have to identify them and join them. Okay, first one, arm. Where is arm? You have to search here and match it. This is arm. Okay, so join the line arm to arm. Next one, say angur. So where is this? Here it is. So join the line say angur. Angur to Okay, now next one, kamal. Ka say kamal. Where is ka? Come on, search here. This is ka. Okay, match it. Now next one, cha say chhatri. Where is cha? This is cha. Join the line chhatri to cha. Next, barn. Ana say barn. Here it is ana, so match barn to ana. Okay children, now next one, identify the picture and write their names. I have given you some pictures and identify them and write their name here. Okay, first one, tomato. You have to write tomato here. Ta-ma-tar. Tomato. Now next picture is kalam. So write here kalam. Ka-la-m. Kalam. Okay children. Now next one, this is tahani. Ta-ha-ni. Nalika badi e ki matra. Okay, tahani. Next one, ghadi. Gha, da and badi e ki matra, ghadi. Next one, jag. Jag, jag. Okay, look here children. Now 8-bit meanings. I will give you in Hindi. You have to write in English. Okay, learn these spellings carefully. Once we will repeat. Look here. Arm. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. AD. AD means heel. H-E-E-L. Heel. Angur. Angur means grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now next one, ghar. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next, kamal. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Next, jahaj. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Now next one, chatai. Chatai means what children? Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Next one, tub. T-U-B. Tub. Danda. Danda means rod. R-O-D. Rod. Okay. Now next one, thali. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. Barn. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Now next, now. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Machli. R-A-I-N, rain. Now next one, baraf. Ice, I-C-E, ice. With this we have completed our revision, children. So you have to practice well. All the best.